with you, and I'm here for an unboxing, and this time it's from Crossstitch VIP. You've seen me unbox their stuff before, and I haven't done another collab, I believe, since the holidays. And I'm still working on what I got for the holidays, so I'll share those with you shortly. But before I do that, I just want to showcase what I got. And I also want to let you know that there's a discount code for 5% in the description box below. So go and check them out. So I got some really amazing goodies. Okay, so let's check out what I got. So these here, I'm just blown away, okay? Because I have trouble, I don't know for you, but I have trouble threading needles. I need my little glasses, and even with the little glasses, I can never thread my needles properly. And now let's find some thread. Okay, so I've got thread here, and whoops, if I can even open up the thread. Okay, here it is. So I've got the thread here, right? So then got the little needle, and then what you do is you just slide it in. See? You don't have to go and try to find the head. You can just slide it in. Let's bring you down, so because there's a lot of sun. So again, okay, I've got my little needle, and usually I would be trying to figure out how to put this within this, but now I can just do this, whoops, in the right way. I can just slip it in, and that's it. It's in. How cool and fantastic is that? Like, this is life-blowing to me. This is just genius. Like, I was ecstatic when I saw this, because I've been struggling. I do stuff with needles all the time, and I've been struggling using them because, as I said, it's difficult to thread them, whereas with this, it's not. So in the description box below, you'll find the link to all the products that I'm describing. I hope you go and check them out, and I'd be anxious to know if you knew about these needles, because to me it's totally new. I didn't know about them. Then I got this here, which is a bunch of the needles that are required to do cross stitching. If I can open it up, it would help if I did it the right way. And look at them. There's a ton of them, and they've got big, you know, and I'll be able to have, and they're different sizes. Some are smaller than others. So very happy to have a bunch, because I keep losing my needles. And I use needles like this too, for not only for embroidery and that sort of thing, but also for, and I love that it comes with a little box. See, I can put everything in it. I also use them for when I'm making journals and things. So then I got this here, which I thought was stunning. So check this out. It looks like a lipstick type of thing, but then when you open it up, it's to put your needles. So you would put your little needles in it. Oops. Like, hoping this is gonna fit. So you're supposed to bring it down. So then you put your needles in, and maybe this one is not going to fit because it's too big, but if let's say my other ones, that's the ones I was thinking about. So for example, these ones, I can put the 5 of them. Well, there's more than 5. I can put them all in here. And there's a magnet. I can sense that there's a magnet. They stick to it, so it's not like they're gonna fly everywhere. Having trouble pulling them out. Here we go. Actually, it's going to be better that they're in this, because then I can identify the ones that are the good needles that I can use without having to put on little glasses. First of all, find my little glasses and then put them on. So then you can just twist this up, and there are your little needles, and then you twist it back down and you put the little cap, and voila, you've got your little needles, and they're in a super cute container. And there's all sorts of containers. I chose this one because I like Van Gogh and I just thought it was very pretty, but you could choose all kinds of different ones, up to you. And I just thought it was brilliant. It's so cute. And you could put something like this in your purse if you, like, for example, you want to have a little bit of thread. You could put a little bit of thread in it, and a few of those needles, just in case, you know, you break a button and you need to do something, and nobody's going to be the wiser. They're going to think you brought lipstick, and actually you've got needles. Then I got this here because it's a swatch. It's cross stitch, but it's one of those little Hello Kitty ones type of thing. How cool is that? It has a little, it's a little keychain, and I did those already, but I didn't keep any for me. I gave one out to Guylaine, and I gave another one out to Kimberly, and I kept none for me. So now this one is going to be for me. And there's two ways I think you can put, like, I think there's a little pin, and there's the let me open this up. There's two types. There's the little keychain holder, but there's also, where's the other little piece that I saw here? Maybe that's just the one. Why did I think there was another one? Or maybe you could put like one of those little keychains if you wanted. But anyway, it's just super adorable, and I've had a lot of fun making the ones I did. And as I said, this one is just for me, so I can put it with my journals, or my I put on my pencil case as well. I really like that, so I'm going to be making that. So there's that. And then I got this here because you can never go, like, it's never too early to do winter stuff, because it takes me forever, as you will see. So this here is it's a, let's pull out the thing so maybe you can see it better. So you've got the design, and you do this, and then you put it on like as a frame. Bring you back. Isn't that pretty for winter time? And let's check out. So obviously you've got all the thread that you need. They're all here with the needle. And I keep my needles from one time to the next, obviously. And then you've got, this is what it's gonna look like. I just thought it was so pretty, and I need to get ahead of the game if I want to if I have any chance of making this, because I'm not fast. I don't know how Frances does it. She keeps saying that she's not, you know, to me, like, it just blows my mind what she does. And very sad that she's feeling a lot of arthritis recently, and sending all sorts of good vibes, healing vibes and prayers her way. So I need to get going on this. I also need to get going on the cushion and the other part, the other one of these. So let's see how far I got. Don't make fun of me, guys, okay? I'm still going at it. So that's already a really good sign. And thank God I did these first for my gifts, because otherwise, forget it. It wouldn't have happened, because I'm still working on this one. So look at that. That's how far I got. So his head is pretty much done except for the black. And then I still have a little bit here. And I'm making my way with the antlers. And you can see, I'll bring you down again. You can see like what I've done so far here. I did the red. I did the green. The little house is almost complete except for the black. The outside is done. And this is what the back looks like. So not bad. I did a pretty good job, I think, on making it a relatively clean back. But one of the things I liked doing was like bringing this, let's say, on the road, because then I can, you know, do this. But I realized soon enough that I can't see. I need my glasses. But if I'm wearing these little glasses, then I can't put on my sunglasses, and that's a problem. So it's not going as fast as I would have liked, but I am making progress. It is getting done. It's just taking a lot longer, but I'm loving it. Loving, loving, loving. So I wanted you to see the progress, because I told you guys I would show it to you. And I've been using their other products. They send, I had ordered with one of their orders that they provided to me, some of these, and I'm using these as to put the extra thread. And especially when I'm, you know, in the midst of, because I split them. So yeah, so that's the progress I've made. I'm still proud of myself. It's not fast, but it's getting done. And eventually, probably, maybe in 2022 Christmas, I'll be able to pull it, put it on the wall, hopefully. But I would love also to be able to get this one done, so we shall see. And I still have a snowman like this, as well as a cushion that's in the way. So but doesn't mean that I can't just play. And I might end up doing the Hello Kitty before because it's Hello Kitty. I can't resist it. But I'm also so ecstatic for this and the needles. Oh my god, that's like that's the summum of happiness, having needles that I can thread without having to say a bunch of words that you wouldn't want to hear on camera, and that would get me banned from YouTube. So love you guys so much. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this and seeing my update of this, and I promise once I get it done, I will show it to you guys, because I'll be so proud that it's done. But yeah, I'm still progressing, so it is working, but slowly but surely. That's how the race is won, right? Well, maybe not race, I might not win, but at least I'll get it done. So that's already pretty good. So yeah, in the description box below you'll find the links to all these products and the discount code, so go and check it out. And let me know, do you do cross stitching? Do you do sewing? Do you know about these needles? Do you have a nice little case, pretty case like that to put your needles in? And what I love about this is that my kids won't steal the needles, because they won't figure out that needles are in here. So I probably will be able to keep my needles, because they just take them and then I can't find them anymore. The struggles of a mom, yeah, they're real. But at least they try to sew stuff. They might not always succeed, but they do try, so that's already pretty good. So love you guys, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye.